Hi everyone. In this video, we will try to find the coordinates of a point which divides a particular line segment externally with some ratio. Okay. So if you clearly see the diagram, here the point R is dividing the line segment PQ. So this is the line segment PQ. So the point R is dividing the line segment PQ in the ratio of M is to N externally, because this point is not in between P and Q. It is outside of or beyond P and Q. That's why we call it as external division. So in this video, what we are actually finding is a section formula for external division. If you want to understand how to derive the formula in case of internal division section formula, you can go through the previous video which is published in my channel. Now let me find that section formula. If you want to derive the coordinates of x comma y, here also I have drawn two similar triangles. Let me write the names of those triangles once. Triangle PRT, triangle PRT, it is a bigger triangle. So this triangle PRT, this is a bigger triangle. It is similar to triangle QRS. So QRS. So this is a smaller triangle, you can observe here. So QRS, this is the smaller triangle. These two triangles are similar. Why? Because these two angles are equal, and this angle beta is common to both the triangles, and these two angles are right angles. Hence we can say that these two are similar triangles, and we know that already the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal in case of similar triangles. So first I will write the parameters of bigger triangle on the numerator and the parameters on the smaller triangle on the denominator. So m by n, it is equal to x minus x1 by x minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y minus y2. Okay, now considering these two terms first, or any two terms, I am just considering these two terms now. Considering these two terms, okay, you will get, if you do cross multiplication, you will get mx minus mx2 is equal to nx minus nx1. Okay, now I'm just sending nx1 to LHS and sending nx2 to LHS and mx2 to RHS. Okay, so what you will have is mx minus nx is equal to mx2 minus nx1. If you take x common in the LHS side, you will have x into m minus n is equal to mx2 minus nx1. Therefore x is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Okay, so this is the formula to find the x coordinate of a point which divides the given line segment externally in the ratio of m is to n. Okay, so let me reduce the size of this slide a little bit so that we can have some space to do the problem. Now We'll compare m by n with y minus y1 by y minus y2. Okay, so let me do that. M by n is equal to y minus y1 by y minus y2. If you do cross multiplication, you will have my minus my2 is equal to ny minus ny1. Okay, now sending ny to LHS, my2 to RHS, you will have my minus ny is equal to my2 minus ny1. Okay, now you will have y into m minus n is equal to my2 minus ny1. Therefore y is equal to my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So this is the formula which is helpful for us to find the y coordinate of a point which divides the given line segment in the ratio m is to n externally. Okay, in the previous video we have seen internal division. The point is in between the two end points of the line segment, and it divides the line segment in the ratio of m is to n. We have seen the section formula. Here in this video we have seen external division, when the point which is outside the line segment, how it divides the line segment we have observed here. Okay, thank you very much.